crazy game. So this time we're gonna try the Air Wars 3. So we're gonna try this game, and pretty much this is the one. This is the developer Martian Games, the technology HTML5, and has been developed with Unity and WebGL. So let's give it a try. So you just have to pretty much click here, play now, and okay. So I'm gonna play as a guest. I'm gonna click here, and okay, as you can see, we have the WAST functionality. W is gonna be for accelerate. Then okay, so you can choose a team. I'm gonna choose, I don't know, the first one, so I'm gonna be the red. Okay, and okay, with the mouse I can maneuver it, so I have to take down, or I have to shoot at the blue ones this time. So if I press the W keyboard, I can accelerate. If I move, well, with my cursor, I can move to the left, to the right. I can go even upper or lower, so depending on the situation. You can also choose the keyboard. So if I press A, I'm moving towards my left. If I press D, I'm moving towards my right. If I press S, so pretty much I'm slowing down. Oops, I think they're shooting me, so let's start shooting back. So I'm gonna, where is the blue ones? Okay, I see one. So now I need to catch the blue ones. Once they are in my shooting range, I can just start pretty much just clicking in the path. Let me see, now these are the red ones, so I can shoot them. Okay, so I'm gonna look for the blue ones, where they are. Okay, let me see. I cannot see any of them. Okay, I already saw one. I already spotted one, so I'm gonna pretty much, let me see. Oops, oh no. Let me see. Okay, so they are the ones. Okay, so now if you click, you can start pretty much shooting. So okay, I got you. Okay, now they're shooting back. So yeah, this is a dogfight. So whoops. Hey man, they almost, I need to hit and quit. Yeah, they got me. Okay, moving back. Okay, so one of those blue ones. Let me see. Okay. No, you're not getting away. Let me see. I got you. See, I can get it. Oh man. Let's move before they start shooting back at me. Okay. Alright, that's good. So let me see. Let me look for more of those blue planes. Okay, I got one. I need to be careful not to shoot my friend. So it's too close. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna look for someone so I don't do some collateral damage. Oops. Never mind my dog. So okay, let me see. Where all those fighters? Okay, I spotted them. So I need. Okay, I got you. Okay, there is the blue one. You're not getting away. Oh no. Whoa, yeah, I almost collide. I almost crashed with the ice mountain. Okay, so also if you press C in the keyboard, so you can, whoa, I better don't do that. So you can check out the cat view. So let me see. Okay, so let's just leave it like that. Yeah, this is a pretty cool game. So again, this is used with the HTML technology as well with Unity. Yeah, and the purpose of this game is to pretty much, if you're in the red team, you have to take out the blue team and pretty much take over their bases. Okay, so let me see. Okay, I already saw. Okay, they are all over here. Yeah, man, that's the red one. So it's my friend. Man. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's complicated, so I don't wanna get some collateral damage and start killing my own friends. Okay, so I already spotted one blue. Okay, damn it. I got you. Alright, that was a fight. That was cool. Whoa. No. Damn it. Yeah, I didn't maneuver very right, so I crash. Damn it, that would suck. Okay, so let me give it another try. So, alright. Yeah, I was too careless doing that maneuver, so I collided into this rocky mountain. Let me see. I didn't. Alright, so where are those? Yeah, okay, I already saw one blue. Oh man. Okay, so I am in total. Okay, Team Blue wins, so oh man, we lost. Okay, so I am in this new 14-16, so I have one kill. 90. Okay, yeah, that's it. So let's give it another try. Yeah, these are the ones. Okay, yes. Bien. Alright, one is destroyed. Take that, man. Man, this game is cool. I like it. But the other one is not gonna escape, so I'm gonna get him too. Okay, I got you. Yeah, this game is pretty cool. Whoa! I almost crashed again. Yeah, that was a good maneuver this time. Let me see. Oh, okay, there's a bunch of blue ones. Oh man, that's cool. So now let's go into. Okay, nobody here. Alright. So let's look for those blue planes. Let me see if I can. Okay, no, those are my allies. So let me see. Okay, I already saw one here. Okay, it's at dawn. Okay, now it's the morning. So let me see. Whoa, no, damn it again. Oh man, I did that again. So yeah, I was too careless on. Let me see. Okay, all those planes are over there. So let me shoot. Okay, I already saw one. So all right. So let me see. Where are you? Where are you, man? Okay, now I see. Oh yeah, that plane is down. Yeah, just to make sure this dude is down. Take that, and there's a bunch of blue ones here, so I'm gonna get in as well. Oh yeah, this one is gonna be kinda tricky. Alright, I did it. Nah, I'm gonna get you, man. Whoa! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so let me... Ah man, where are you? Okay, so I'm gonna get this one. Yeah, you're not getting away, man. Oh, he did. This dude is not getting away. Okay, so now it's dark. Okay, where are you? I got you. Hey, come on, get out of my way, man. I don't want to shoot you. I want to... Man, Jesus Christ. Yeah, this dude has the flag, so I need to take this dude. Uh-oh. Okay, yeah, whatever. Okay, let's find another dude to shoot, so let me see. Okay, now I got you. Okay, yeah, get out of my way. Alright, I did it. Man, I do that, dude. Or maybe I don't. Yes! Hey, get the hell out of my way. Oh, damn it. Okay, there's more blue ones over there. So, let me see. Okay, I already saw one. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Hey, no. Oh, man. Oh, man. They almost got me. Alright. Stabilize. Okay. That's cool. Now we're talking. Now we're in a fight. Okay, so... Oh, man, there's a bunch of blue ones. Oh, man, I am by myself. Oh, I don't care. Just gonna take those dudes out. Hey, come here. Okay. I'm gonna accelerate a little bit more. All right. Oh, he's not getting... No, I'm not gonna let you escape. Oh, no, no. Okay, good. I don't wanna crash. They didn't kill me, but I crashed, so I pretty much killed by myself, so I made a mistake. Okay. Yeah, I got you. Oh man, that's cool. Team Blue. Oh man, again we lost? Man, we lost again, but I have, I don't know, my total is, I have 5k, level 1, 332, 1 kill, what the hell. So let's check it out in the next round. So, okay, let's give it a try. Yeah, man, yeah, this game is kind of cool, so. Okay, so right now I am in the, okay, yeah, I am in the team red, so hey, I don't care. I'm gonna take as many blue, hey. Alright, so. Oh, okay, that's cool. So we're playing like that, eh? Now you did it. Okay, now I stabilize myself. And where are you? Oh man, they got me here. Oh, damn it. Oh man, they're shooting at me, those bastards. Need to go away. Let me see. Oh man, now they got me for real. So yeah, they got me. This got me. They got me really good this time. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm coming with a vengeance. So I don't care. I just wanna shoot it. Oh man, they got me again. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm cool with that. But okay, so this is the name of the game is Airwares 3. So we can read a little bit of that. So the technology is HTML5, Unity WebGL, the browser. Okay, so this is the platform. And let me see, let's just close this one and this one as well. Okay, so Air Wars 3 is a multiplayer air combat game. The aim of the game is to defeat your opponents in an intense air battle to take their base. The previous game, Air Wars 2, is also immensely popular, fight a ranging battle in the sky to dominate leadership in the epic 3D combat game. So how to play is pretty okay, it's pretty obvious here. Flying game, so you have the Jet Rush, Soul Wars, Airtune, so platforms, web browser, features, great 3D graphics, easy to learn controls, no need for an account to play, so I was just playing as a guest. Unlock new planes as you win more games, upgrade your planes, okay. And yeah, I mean, this is the controls, and yeah, this is a pretty cool game with the HTML5 and Unity WebGL technology.